Hi everyone, Billy here with Trade Winds Travel. So a few months ago we went to London, and when we went we decided that we wanted to go to a fancy hotel and have afternoon tea. So we did our research and we ended up at the Dorchester Hotel. Beautiful old hotel, very swanky. So we went in, we had tea, wonderful sandwiches, we had champagne too, wonderful sandwiches and sweets, and then they bring out the scones and the clotted cream and the jam, and it was just unbelievable. So I asked them, said, so, where can we get this clotted cream? We can get jam at home and I can make scones. And so they told us that they make their own. And so what they do is they just take heavy cream, put it in the oven, take it out, and then skim off the clotted part. I know that sounds bad, but the end product is very good. So I want to show you how they make it at the Dorchester Hotel. So you need one thing basically. You need heavy cream. That's all you need. So just take your heavy cream, pour it in an oven-safe dish. Now, you can stop at that, but now in England, they use double cream, and double cream has a higher fat content, and it's really hard to get here. I found this at the store, English double cream. This little jar was $6, so I wasn't going to buy enough of this to make a whole batch of clotted cream, so I'm going to add this to my heavy cream here from the US. Just to give it a little extra oomph. Get all of that out. Just break that up, get that all incorporated in there together. Now, here's the easy part. Set your oven for 180 degrees, really low. And you're going to put this in there and leave it for 12 hours. So we're going to put that in for 12 hours, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we do next. Before we get started, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more mouth-watering dishes. Afternoon tea at the Dorchester Hotel in London is an experience steeped in tradition and luxury. Nestled in the heart of Mayfair, this iconic hotel has been serving its renowned afternoon tea since the 1930s, making it a quintessential part of British culture. Upon entering the opulent promenade, guests are greeted with a sense of grandeur as they are ushered to their tables adorned with crisp linens and fine china. Afternoon tea wouldn't be complete without the star of the show, scones served with clotted cream and preserves. These warm, buttery delights are a testament to the hotel's dedication to preserving the essence of British culinary heritage. The clotted cream served at the Dorchester Hotel is a true indulgence, renowned for its velvety smoothness and rich, creamy taste. Sourced from local dairy farms and handcrafted to perfection, this thick and luxurious cream adds a luscious richness to every bite of the scone. Whether it's a special occasion or simply a desire for an indulgent treat, afternoon tea at the Dorchester is a timeless tradition that promises an unforgettable journey through taste and refinement in the heart of one of the world's most iconic cities. Okay, so it's been 12 hours and it's time to take this out of the oven. You can see the clotted part is on top. Now, I have to leave it sitting out for about an hour, and then we put it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. So this is a long process, but we will be rewarded when it's over. So we'll let it sit out, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow morning we'll be back and we'll see what we have. See you in the morning. Okay, it's the next morning. So let's see what happened. I've taken it out of the refrigerator. So this is what it looks like. Yes, it is supposed to look like that. So the clotted part is all in there. I know it sounds gross, but I think it's going to be good. So what you need to do is just break off a little corner there on the side and pour out the liquid part that didn't clot. What you have left is the clotted cream. Out of the way. So you just get under there like this, and all of this is clotted cream. Oh, that looks good. So just put it in a bowl. Then once you have it in here, just give it a good stir, get all of that mixed up. The top part that was on there is sort of like the rind on brie. That's what it looks like to me. And you just mix all of this together. And just keep it in the refrigerator. You can put it in a nice decorative bowl whenever you're getting ready to serve it. So you'll put this on scones, and check out our video with the scones and you'll see how we put all of this together. So let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, that tastes like just like what we had in England at the Dorchester. So you can buy clotted cream in the store. You can even get it online, but I've read people that get it online. A lot of times it comes, it's spoiled, so I wouldn't go that route. You can buy it in the store, but it is more expensive. And this is better because it's homemade and you made it. So whenever you're getting ready to have scones and you want to have afternoon tea, just make your own. It's very easy. So check out our other video and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again. So happy travels.